Hi, I'm Michelle.
And I'm Amy Ann. And you're about to watch a delicious video. Those strawberries, I'm going to make us another strawberry margarita. So, what I do is instead of washing and cleaning all those delicious strawberries, that's great, but I'm kind of lazy, so I just get a bag of frozen strawberries and put them straight in my Vitamix blender.
Really a great blender.
It really is. And puree them. That's going to be obviously the base for the strawberry. Margaritas are made, you have your tequila, you've got your limes, usually has an orange liqueur. I'm adding a flavor which is strawberry and then a sweetener. So for the limes, I'm going to juice them. So I have my fancy juicer. It is a designer citrus juicer.
Yeah.
I got this 26 years ago.
26 years.
I don't even know if they sell them anymore.
Still working.
And it still is working. I love it. So.
It's pretty awesome, actually.
And you literally just twist away.
That's so fun.
I just think it's easier than a press to get all of the juice out.
I have a great press, but that's for another show. I don't have a 26-year-old citrus juicer like you. And I'm jealous. I'm jealous. Yeah. Didn't you already do something?
Alrighty. So we've got our fresh lime juice, our fresh pureed strawberries. Another component, instead of orange liqueur, I'm doing fresh oranges.
Why are you doing instead of orange liqueur?
Orange liqueur is very high in calories. Oh. And I'm not a huge sweet person. And I think it's just very, very sweet. So yes, orange juice obviously still has sugar and sweetness in it, but I think it takes it down a little bit.
Yeah.
My grocery store, it's juice it for me, or obviously I can do my oranges in the juicer.
Which you've done before.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Just very, very convenient.
Yeah.
And then, because it is a margarita, you still have to have a little element. I do a skosh of agave.
That's what Amy Ann terms
skosh. So, let's assemble. You got it, right? Now that we have all of our fresh ingredients assembled, fill a shaker with ice. Let's start with the tequila. Now, per drink, we do 2 ounces of tequila. So.
Should you just take a shot of that? Okay, sorry.
1, 2, but I'm making 2 drinks. So I'm doubling this recipe.
Sure you are.
1 for me, 1 for you.
That's right.
Okay, so 2 shots of tequila. And then 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. Again, I'm doubling it, so I'm putting it 2. One ounce of fresh strawberry puree. Doubling. I'm very thirsty. A 1/2 ounce of fresh orange juice. Doubling, so I'm doing 1. And then, I don't like mine very sweet, so I just do a 1/4 of a shot of an ounce of agave. If you like yours a little sweeter, obviously you would add more agave.
Or you don't actually have to add it.
Or no agave, yeah, whatever you want. It's to be certain. And then you shake. Professional. Flip. Just kidding. Making it really good. Oh, getting my workout here. And then you could technically rim it with sugar. Again, not my style, because I'm not
Or salt.
Or salt.
Or salt.
Pour over a nice large ice cube. And then because I like to be fancy with this shell, I garnish it with a cute little strawberry that I just sliced down the middle. And it goes on like that. And there you go. Our fresh strawberry margaritas. Cheers. Cheers.
How they taste?
Delicious.
It's delicious. It's very good.
It is really good.
I really like it. You did a good job.
That's a good one.
Yeah, it's a good one. It's a cute